Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing an experiment on how to remove stickers off of dresser drawers. Um, we got this dresser like this, obviously. I already finished putting it together, it's inside, and two drawers have stickers. So I already tried it with this heat gun, and it works great. It comes off like comes off easily. I haven't tried it with the blow dryer, but just in case you don't have a heat gun, I wanted to test it out also with a blow dryer if you have one at home. If you don't, you could get one maybe at a yard sale, a thrift store, maybe around $3, I'm guessing, or new at the store. This one was purchased. I can't remember how much because it's my husband's. I'm gonna search that up and then I'll let you know. But I know it wasn't a lot. I'm gonna say maybe around $10 or a little bit less, I guess. We purchased that at Harbor Freight. If you have a coupon that helps also, like by percent off, I think it's 20% off. So that's what we did. We used a 20% off coupon. So we had this for quite some time. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let's try this. Let you see how it comes out. Okay, now if you could be scratching them off, this is what's gonna happen when you try scratching it off. That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna still be on there. So let me move this close. Okay, you do well. If you want to, you could put on some gloves because you have to wait for the sticker to get really hot. So that's why I kept because it was really hot. It gets really hot. That's what you have to do in order to remove the sticker. So I would advise you to wear like some kind of glove so that way when you're like trying to peel it off while it's heating up, it's like much easier. So now I'm gonna try with a blow dryer, see how that goes. I will fast forward because it does take a while. Okay, the blow dryer doesn't seem to be doing anything. Like it can't even get the sticker that hot, so that way it can come off of the drawer. So I would go definitely with the. Okay, put the kitty down. I would go definitely with the heat gun. You see, I was already forgetting what is this thing called. Well, I call it a heat gun because that's what it's known for, but it has, I guess that's the brand. Oh yeah, it is a brand. And this is a really good heat gun. Like it comes in handy for everything. I think also something about window tinting, like take off your tent or something, it's faster that way. And thank you for watching.